You might have seen people confused about which field they should try for, क्योंकि बचपन से हम इंजीनियरिंग कर लो बेटा बहुत स्कोप है सुनते आ रहे हैं, लेकिन मैं आज तुम्हें ऑलमोस्ट हर फील्ड के बारे में बताऊंगा। तो आज मैं इस वीडियो में करियर ऑप्शंस और अलग अलग स्ट्रीम्स के बारे में बात करूंगा जो रैंडमली प्लेस्ड है, क्योंकि हम इक्वालिटी में विश्वास रखते हैं। अगर केमिस्ट्री लास्ट है या लिस्ट में नहीं है, then people in the field really need to think twice before publishing something. So we start with philosophy. This is one of the oldest field of study. तो हम ये मान सकते हैं कि डिप्रेशन, डिससेटिस्फैक्शन, लोनली फील करना हमारे खून में ही है, लेकिन आज तुम्हें इसके पैसे मिलते हैं, एटलीस्ट इनफ मनी टू बाय फूड विच मेक्स योर मिजरीज गो अवे। इफ़ यू वांट टू वर्क इन दिस फील्ड देन यू कैन स्टार्ट बाय रीडिंग इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट कैप्शंस। बहुत रिसर्च करते हैं लोग उसके लिए। नेक्स्ट वी हैव मैथ्स। इट डील्स विद लॉजिक एंड नंबर्स और तुम्हारी गांड मारने के लिए ट्राइज टू कनेक्ट बोथ। इफ़ यू एनकाउंटर अ मैथमेटिशियन इन द वाइल्ड, फिर जनरल प्रोटोकॉल है कि आप उससे 6 फीट दूर खड़े रहें, बिकॉज ही माइट बी वल्नरेबल टू ह्यूमंस एंड ऑन हिज वे टू बाय 50 वाटरमेलन्स। अगर आप गलती से बात करने चाहते हैं तो वो आपको अपने फेवरेट चौक के बारे में बताएगा जो उसने जापान से लाया है। अगर 10th के बाद तुमने मैथ्स लिया है तो आई हैव मैसिव रिस्पेक्ट फॉर यू। People here have number fetish, and to please them, you just have to find an equation that works for all situations. Next, we have physics. This field is currently in process of trial and error. Aristotle के समय से, and to put it in Zach's word from his book, Abridged Beyond a Point of Usefulness, Aristotle said a bunch of stuff that was wrong. Galileo and Newton fixed things up. Then Einstein broke everything again. Now we have basically got it all worked out, except for small stuff, big stuff, hot stuff, cold stuff, fast stuff, heavy stuff, dark stuff, turbulence, and the concept of time. One person will come up with a theory, and then another one will disprove him and make a new theory, and this will continue till we have a unified theory. Next we have astronomy. अगर आप धरती पर रह के बोर हो गए हैं, और which is pretty amazing considering it can sustain itself without humans, then there is always the option to try and explore the vast universe. आपका काम होगा यूनिवर्स को स्टॉक करना एंड वो चीज़ें ढूंढना जो आप कभी नहीं विजिट करोगे, क्योंकि आपको कोई फंड नहीं करेगा। अगर आपको फंडिंग मिल भी जाते हैं तो वो एक मूवी के बजट से कम होंगे जो मूवी आपके मिशन पर बनाई जाएगी, अगर मिशन सक्सेसफुल रहा तो। सो इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस फील्ड एंड एक्सपेक्ट टू गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर स्पेस एक्सप्लोरेशन, let me tell you, a huge telescope is best you can expect. Engineering. This is just junior college with extra steps and backlog, lot of projects and no sex life. Einstein once said, logic will get you from A to Z, imagination will get you everywhere. But this field will get you nowhere. Nonetheless, engineers are just lazy people who invented bridges, roads, buildings, cars, ships, planes to avoid walking, and telecommunication and electronics, without which people would have to travel miles just to send a crush hi and again travel to receive the reply. Literature. This word is derived from Latin word litere, which means writing poem with letters. इसमें वो सब आता है जिससे आदमी सोच में पड़ जाता है कि इस अध्याय में कवि क्या कहना चाहता है। If you happen to encounter one, then they will try to impress you with ancient words that you won't ever hear, because people generally don't use Shakespearean in real life. In case you are wondering what these people do to pass their time, they constantly correct error in speech and comments to exert supremacy over you, or you can say big grammar Nazis. History. This field is tricky, not because one has to memorize literally everything that happened in human history, but as large part of history wasn't recorded on paper and was verbally spread to next generation and most likely passed on like WhatsApp forwards and occasionally edited to seem politically correct and unbiased, you need to be stuck in past most of the time. Education. अगर आप बैक बेंचर रहे हैं और टीचर के ब्लैक लिस्ट में रहे हैं, you might want to reconsider this option. Maybe you could try and take a class of 40 and survive without wondering if you could revive Hitler. Psychology. If you are like me with very few friends to reach out to without the guilt of troubling them or wondering if they will help you out, फिर आपको एक psychiatrist की ज़रूरत है. What a better reason to opt for this field and become one yourself, considering that you will be lonely forever. If you meet one, then be sure to speak nothing but the truth because they literally know your next move. Anthropology. Have you ever come across someone who has the constant need to check on their ex for whatever reason? तो इस फील्ड में आप बस एक्स को एंसेस्टर के साथ रिप्लेस करते हैं और आपको पैसा मिलता है, विच अगेन हेल्प्स यू टू बाय फूड. सो दे आर क्लिंगी पीपल एंड वांट टू नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट एवरी होमिनिडाई दे मीट. ये वही रिश्तेदार है जो अपनी ज़िंदगी में खुश नहीं है, इसलिए आपकी ज़िंदगी की मारने में लगे हैं. इकोनॉमिक्स. Have you ever been interested in study of production, consumption and distribution? Me neither, let's move on. Law. This field covers everything from establishing standards, maintaining orders, resolving disputes, protecting liberties and rights, while ironically in some cases also includes manipulation of facts in order to defend client. अगर आप दूसरों की आंखों में आंखें डाल के उनसे डिबेट कर सकते हो without single drop of tear until it all ends, then you're perfect for this job. Later at night, you can always cry to your psychiatrist because you're a lonely piece of shit. If you are active on Twitter, wasting your life online, debating with people, don't try for this field because it requires logic and proof. But तुम्हारे पास तो सिर्फ फ्री का टाइम है. Film industry. This field includes everyone who is involved in making a film so good कि आप उस मूवी से अपनी आंखें नहीं निकल सकते. And then they are mentioned at the end of the movie जब लोग बाहर जाने का रास्ता ढूंढ रहे होते हैं. So if you are patient enough to sit and appreciate this artist and are creative enough, then you can choose a role you're good at. Performing arts. If you're good at making people feel important but in reality you couldn't care less about them, then you are just a piece of shit. So these are dramatic people who are paid to be dramatic. So this field requires one to be able to express oneself with expressions, body language and speech, which can be done through skit, drama, dance, etc. etc. You could just watch the Marathi movie Nat Samrat to know what it takes to be part of performing art community. You will be able to understand their personality after 69th meet or so. Medicine. So this field is complex and could be uninteresting. Not because you have to study a lot, and by a lot I mean studying biochemistry, physiology, anatomy, microbiology, pathology and pharmacology only in the bachelorate, and then opting for desired streams like general medicine, general surgery, orthopedic radiodiagnosis, radiotherapy, ENT, gynecology, anesthesia, pediatrics, community medicine, pathology, microbiology, forensic science, anatomy, physiology, etc. etc. जिसके लिए तुम्हें एटलीस्ट लगेंगे 10 साल. बट बिकॉज यू आर लेजी, इस पैकेज के साथ और भी प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं, जैसे कि आपका ऑपरेशन सक्सेसफुल रहा तो क्रेडिट्स कोई और ले जाता है, और अगर अनसक्सेसफुल रहा तो पेशेंट कोई और ले जाता है. सो इधर वेज यू नीड स्लीप, क्योंकि आपको बहुत काम करना पड़ेगा और काम करना पड़ेगा. एंड नाइट शिफ्ट. इफ़ यू आर नॉट डिस्टर्ब बाय द स्मेल ऑफ गार्बेज देन डेंटिस्ट्री इज़ अ गुड ऑप्शन फॉर यू, क्योंकि कुछ लोग जिनको एंजाइटी नहीं है वो डेंटिस्ट के पास जाने से पहले ब्रश नहीं करते 3 बार. इफ़ यू वांट अ रिलेटिवली ईजियर वे, और अगर आपको अपने फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड से लेके कॉलेज तक के क्रश के नाम याद है जिन्होंने आपको ये बोल के रिजेक्ट किया कि यू विल फाइंड समवन बेटर, बट यू स्टिल आर लोनली एसोल ड्राउनिंग इन सेल्फ डाउट, never feeling good enough for anyone and crying yourself to sleep every night, then pharmacy is a good choice for you, unless you don't want to live your whole life understanding what the doctor wants to convey. Biology. This says that there was some stuff that made bigger stuff, then they all came together, and then Charles Darwin said some stuff which people accepted and then modified to explain why we get pink flowers from crossing red and white ones. Even if it is able to link our ancestors to monkey, it's still unable to find why you're a depressed asshole taking advice from a box on stick. We are the only generation to have access to literally everything and without even paying for it. It's not that easy to think a day without internet or having to live in an isolation. Oh wait, so human can live in isolation? So they can achieve things if they are dedicated and consistent toward it? Interesting. Let me write that down. So if humans decide to do something and are dedicated to achieve the goal, they can achieve it, or at least get nearer to the goal. So we have come a long way. If we only look back at the technological advancement, then we can see that it's only been 28 years since the first smartphone, 84 since computers, and 47 since the internet. Computer is in the size of apartment. What was considered for a smartphone to be smart 28 years ago isn't even close to what humans have made possible. अगर आप इंडिया में 10-15 साल पहले किसी को बोलते कि आप उन्हें 1 GB पर डे इंटरनेट देंगे एट 200 रुपीज़, तो आप मीम बन जाते. Humans have come a long way, and today we have many opportunities but limited time. Every skill, hobby, art, science needs practice. It's easy to be good at something but difficult to perfect the art.